You talked a little bit about how you have your system, there are feedback loops. It sounds like you guys have done some of the coding, like inside of the box, so to speak, of what you would hope an individual would do with their own AI and their own due diligence process to make sure they're getting accurate information. But you've taken all of that need to know how to use AI out of the equation, put it inside of the organization of the agent or the system, and allow your expertise in process and systems, or your team's expertise in process and systems, be the thing that allows that agent system to let the user have a really good, effective, accurate experience. Does that sound like I'm with you or understanding?
Yeah, so we're trying to build that system that allows you to control your AI agent and have the controls necessary to create a quality agent, right? To be able to add on tools to get done what you need, to be able to have that plumbing for the feedback loops in place so that you can correct problems, right? I think the way that our system is set up today is you still need a pretty good understanding of an AI agent to actually use it. And that's why what we offer today, it's less of just a SaaS product and more of a managed service using our platform, right? Because just like you described about, your grandma, she's not getting into the weeds and the details. We believe that the majority of the clients that we're going out there today, they're not trying to be an AI expert. They're trying to use AI to run their business more effectively, right? And so we want to come in with the platform and us understanding AI and being the experts to say, look, we're going to use our platform. You can log in and make all these changes yourself, but we're going to help you manage and set up and keep track of your AI agent, right? To best utilize its functionality to accomplish your goal. We've already started adding features so that as we continue to grow, non-technical users, non-AI people can get more and more out of our system independently. But our primary goal is let's make sure our AI agents are as functional and as capable and as high quality as possible. And we'll make sure everything's managed well, and then we'll slowly move more and more of that capability as we can onto the users. For example, one of the things that we're working on now is a learn mode, right? So I described how we provide like dynamic instructions to the AI agent. Well, us or the user could log in and make all the changes you want and all those different steps, but maybe it gets confusing for the user, the client, the company. And so we've enabled a mode where you can talk directly to your agent and say, look, you did this poorly. I want you to do this next time, or here's something you need to improve. And it will rewrite its own instructions based on the conversation, the feedback that you're having. So you no longer need to be an AI expert prompt engineer, or how do I write these things, as you said, very specific and precise, because the AI is its own expert AI prompt engineer. You're
Yeah.
just kind of telling it what to do. And so the more that we can roll out features like that, the more it makes the users a little more independent, right? But we're trying to, at the end of the day, accomplish what's best for the company, and then as much as possible, empower the users to do it themselves.